don't know how it is.
Alright guys, I'm going to start by filling in my brows, and as I've said many times before, I'm actually growing back my brows. So yeah. So whenever I'm filling in my brows, I fill in the direction that my brows grow. So my brows grow to the right and then to the left, so I fill in keeping of the direction of my brows. So I'm taking my Ruby Kisses level 11 and I'm using that to clean up. As well as clean up, I'm also using this to kind of press down my brow hairs some more. So I did it with the pencil now and make sure that they're fully pressed down using the concealer. Full coverage concealer will give an amazing result if you're trying to grow your brows and the brows are thin and want it to look like you have no brows there. So for my primer, I'm taking my Mary Kay Pore Minimizer Primer and I'm putting this all over my face. I haven't recognized it for minimizing my pores, but it really does give my face like a luminescence about it, kind of glowy, kind of ish, like dewy. I love putting this primer underneath my foundation. And the foundation that I'll be using today is my black Opal, obviously, and I'll be using Carob, and this is oh, thanks, Jonathan. The color is called Carob and the brand is called Black Opal, and I put that all over my skin, on my face rather, and then I'll be blending it out with a brush. So right now I'm going to be using a Black Opal's Toast, and I'm using that as my concealer slash highlight. Now I'm going to highlight the areas that I think needs to be highlighted. So that's under my eyes, so that appear more awake and a bit more youthful. My forehead to minimize it, my nose to slim it down, and my jawline to kind of bring that area out, because sometimes I get a little heavy-handed with the low lighting, so the bottom portion of my face tends to look a little bit darker. My chin to bring that area out a little bit, and also that area of my face like right under my nose, so it looks like I have a cute cupid's bow. Then this sponge is one that I got, and look guys, it tore, but that's a sponge that I got from Annabelle here on AliExpress. So I'm going to use that to blend out my concealer slash highlight. So for my all over face, I'm taking my Nye Banana Powder to set the highlighted areas, the areas that I use toast on. And I'm taking my Mary Kay Bronze 5 powder and I'm putting that on all the other areas where I did not highlight. So that's all the other areas that I only have foundation on. So now I'm at the setting phase of my makeup. Now, for some of you, don't set your makeup, but I find living in Jamaica, you have to set your makeup and sometimes double set your makeup. So I'm setting with, right now, Ben Nye. Then for my all over face powder, I'm going to be setting with Mary Kay Bronze 5 powder. What do I think of them? I love them. This is the Mary Kay, and this is what I do. I do not use a contouring powder. You guys call it, I call it low lighting powder. So I don't use a low lighting powder. I just use my regular face powder to do my low lighting slash contouring. Now, as you can see, it's looking a little bit darker. That's because wherever you highlight, everywhere else will automatically appear darker. Darker. Sorry. So I highlight that area of my face, or those areas of my face. So everywhere else that doesn't have that highlighted color looks darker, appears darker. Everything is contouring. When you're doing your eye makeup, it's contouring. Your brows is contouring. Your lips is contouring, because you are kind of manipulating the features of your face to get your desired face shape, and also to enhance or to enhance certain features, or to bring those features right there at the forefront. So I'm just blending out using my Sedona Lace brush, and I forgot how much I loved this brush, Bobo. Sedona Lace, hey boo. Okay, so I'm going with my Lorac trio, and can I make the music play? Nah, you want me to talk, don't you? So I'm taking LT Brown. I'm tempted to call this a Lieutenant Brown, I don't know, but LT Brown. And I'm putting that all over my lid, in my crease, mostly because I kind of want a little bit of a transitional color. Transitional meaning I want the colors that I'll be placing on top, the other powders, to blend well together. Then I'm going to be taking... No. What I do, Lord Jesus, what I do, God. I'm working frantically to blend this out because I made a boo-boo, as you can see. No. So to fix it, I'm going in with espresso, and I just winged this look from here on out. I did not mean to mess it up, man. So I'm going to take LT brown, and that's going to be going on my brow bone, and this look just turned into a natural look, and I'm using this only palette. These three colors are all that I'm using for this complete makeup tutorial, makeup tutorial. Now I'm taking Shades by Gal medium neutral concealer, and you can shop at shadesbygal.com. Then I'm going to be taking LT brown, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid, everywhere, because as I say, right after I messed up that crease, I was kind of unsure where I wanted to go with this, so I just kind of winged this look. And I am using a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be lining my waterline. That's the inner part that's closest to your eyeball, and then my lash line, and the lash line, that's where your lashes grow from. So I'm taking that same pencil, and as you know, my little trick to just go in the crease, and this is an amazing trick if you are short on a black eyeshadow or a deeper eyeshadow. You can use a black eyeliner pencil, and of course, and blend it out using a crease brush, and go back in with espresso and pat over that black. So the black laid the base for the espresso to be a darker color. So I'm just patting this up. Then I'm going in with the same brush that I've been using to apply LT brown, and I'm going to take what's on it and just blend it out. On my lid, I'm going to take a different brush, and I'm going to be placing beige on my lids as well. Ooh. Ooh. Beige is a lot. Beige is quite icy. I was not expecting that from beige. Oh my gosh, it's messing up my makeup. I'm going to fan this on. Then I'm going to go back in with the brush that I've been using for LT brown to tone down beige a bit, because beige is popping. So for my lashes, I'm wearing Fashionista lashes by my line POMI by Lorac, and now I'll be wearing Half On Baby by Pink Princess Cosmetics. To help that blend, I'm taking Smooth Plum by LA Colors. Then I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick.
Like sunlight burning at midnight, making my life something so beautiful, beautiful. Mercy reaching to save me. All that I need, you are so beautiful, beautiful. Now there's a joy inside I can't contain.